not put your trust in feelings. They are things of psychology and of emotion, and they are generated within ourselves. That is not faith. Our feelings are not to be trusted. Our faith is a matter of obedience to the commands of Christ. It is about turning and receiving His grace, to be part of His church, to be a living part of His body through baptism and chrismation, the authentic church of Christ. So let us not be fooled by the teachings of men, the philosophies of our age, for Protestantism is of the age. It is now. It is a recent invention of man. For the gate is narrow, and few will enter.